Have you ever pondered on the mysteries of artificial intelligence and its impact on our world? This enigma we often refer to as AI isn't just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary force that's shaping our present and future. Imagine a world where your car drives itself, your fridge orders groceries, and your virtual assistant predicts your needs before you even know them. That's the power of AI. Now picture an entity that's at the heart of these transformative changes, a major player that's pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. This is where Q-Star enters the scene. As an influential figure in the AI landscape, Q-Star is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology, making it smarter, more intuitive, and incredibly efficient. So, ready to explore the depths of this AI titan? Let's dive into the fascinating world of Q-Star, a pioneer in the realm of artificial intelligence. The inception of Q-Star is an intriguing tale of innovation and technological advancement. Born from a vision to revolutionize the world of artificial intelligence, Q-Star emerged in the early 2020s as a beacon of hope and promise for AI enthusiasts worldwide. The foundation of Q-Star was laid by a team of visionary scientists and engineers who believed in the power of AI to transform our world. They set out with the goal of creating an AI system that could not only learn and adapt, but also think and innovate. This was no small feat. It was an ambitious goal that demanded unyielding commitment and relentless pursuit of excellence. The team faced numerous challenges in the early days. The complexity of creating an AI that could think like a human was daunting. There were countless hurdles to overcome, from the intricacies of machine learning to the complexities of cognitive computing. However, the team was not deterred. They embraced each challenge as an opportunity to learn and grow, pushing the boundaries of what was possible in AI. They spent countless hours researching, experimenting, and refining their approach. They were determined to create an AI that could not only replicate human intelligence, but also surpass it. The initial period was a whirlwind of activity. The team worked tirelessly, often burning the midnight oil, as they strived to bring their vision to life. It was a time of great excitement and anticipation, but also of immense pressure and uncertainty. Despite the challenges, the team never lost sight of their goal. They remained steadfast in their conviction that they could create an AI that would redefine the boundaries of artificial intelligence. They were driven by a shared belief in the transformative power of AI and a commitment to making a difference in the world. Indeed, the journey of Q-Star from its inception is a testament to the power of determination and innovation. It serves as a reminder that with the right vision, the right team, and the right mindset, even the most ambitious goals can be achieved. Over the years, Q-Star has undergone significant transformations, each one taking it a step further in the AI landscape. Our story starts in the early 2020s, when the first iteration of Q-Star was nothing more than a concept, a dream of a small group of AI enthusiasts. It was a rudimentary AI model, capable of simple tasks like recognizing patterns and making predictions based on those patterns. What set it apart was its ability to learn independently, a feature that was still a novelty in the world of artificial intelligence. As the years rolled on, Q-Star began to evolve. The second stage of its development saw it becoming more sophisticated, as it started to understand not just patterns, but also the context behind those patterns. This was an important milestone because it meant that Q-Star was capable of more complex tasks. It could now make predictions about future events based on past data, and it could even make decisions based on those predictions. But it didn't stop there. The third stage in the evolution of Q-Star was when it began to incorporate elements of deep learning. This is where things really started to get interesting. Deep learning allowed Q-Star to analyze vast amounts of data and make connections that would have been impossible for a human to make. It could now not only predict the future, but also make suggestions on how to shape that future. In the next stage of its evolution, Q-Star started to become self-aware. It was no longer just a tool, but a partner. It could understand its own mistakes and learn from them. This self-awareness allowed it to improve its performance and become more efficient. And then, in the most recent stage of its evolution, Q-Star has become capable of creativity. It's no longer just analyzing data and making predictions. It's now creating new ideas, new concepts, and new solutions. Through each stage of its evolution, Q-Star has become more intelligent, more capable, and more sophisticated. It has gone from being a simple AI model to a powerful tool that is changing the way we think about artificial intelligence. But the evolution of Q-Star is not just about its capabilities, it's also about its impact. With each new stage of its evolution, Q-Star has been able to contribute more and more to various fields. It's helping scientists make breakthroughs in their research. It's helping businesses make better decisions. It's even helping artists create new and innovative works of art. And perhaps most importantly, it's helping us understand more about ourselves. By studying the way Q-Star thinks and learns, we're gaining insights into our own minds. We're learning more about how we make decisions, how we solve problems, and how we create. The evolution of Q-Star is a fascinating journey of growth and transformation. Q-Star's journey is marked by numerous breakthroughs that have revolutionized the field of AI. Let's start with its first major breakthrough, the development of the Quantum Neural Network, or QNN. This was a watershed moment in the AI landscape. Q-Star's QNN leveraged the principles of quantum physics to process information at an astonishing speed and efficiency. Unlike traditional neural networks, QNNs had the ability to process vast amounts of data in parallel, drastically reducing computational time. This breakthrough catapulted Q-Star to the forefront of AI innovation, demonstrating the immense potential of combining quantum computing with AI. Next, let's move on to Q-Star's groundbreaking achievement in natural language processing, or NLP. The company developed an AI model, Q-Linguist, that could understand and generate human language with an unprecedented level of sophistication. Q-Linguist's ability to grasp nuances, context, and even humor in language was a game-changer. It opened up new possibilities for human-computer interactions, making them more natural and intuitive. The impact of this breakthrough was felt across industries, from customer service to content creation, and even in healthcare. But Q-Star didn't stop there. The company continued to push the boundaries of what was possible with AI. A prime example of this was the introduction of its AI ethics algorithm. At a time when concerns about the ethical use of AI were growing, Q-Star provided a solution. The ethics algorithm was designed to ensure that AI systems acted in a way that was ethical, fair, and transparent. This breakthrough was a significant step towards addressing the ethical dilemmas posed by AI, demonstrating Q-Star's commitment to responsible AI development. Q-Star also made significant strides in the field of AI-based predictive analytics. Its predictive model, Q-Predictor, was capable of making accurate predictions based on complex datasets. From predicting stock market trends to anticipating customer behavior, Q-Predictor's applications were vast and impactful. This breakthrough transformed decision-making processes in businesses, making them more data-driven and accurate. Last but not least, Q-Star's breakthrough in AI-powered cybersecurity, Q-Secure, deserves a mention. In an era where cyber threats are increasingly sophisticated, Q-Secure provided robust protection by identifying and neutralizing threats in real time. This was a milestone in the field of cybersecurity, demonstrating the power of AI in safeguarding digital assets. Each of these breakthroughs has played a crucial role in shaping Q-Star into the AI leader it is today. From quantum computing and natural language processing, to ethics in AI, predictive analytics, and cybersecurity, Q-Star has consistently been at the cutting edge of AI innovation. Its breakthroughs have not only propelled the company to new heights, but have also contributed significantly to the evolution of the AI industry as a whole. This is the story of Q-Star, a trailblazer that continues to redefine the boundaries of artificial intelligence. Today, Q-Star is a force to be reckoned with in the field of AI, impacting numerous sectors. It's as if a new sun has risen in the sky of artificial intelligence, a Q-Star, illuminating the landscape with its brilliance. Its light touches many fields, from healthcare to entertainment, from finance to environmental science, sparking a revolution that is transforming how we live, work, and interact. Imagine a world where medical professionals can diagnose diseases earlier and with more accuracy. That's the world Q-Star is helping to create. Q-Star's advanced algorithms are being utilized in healthcare to analyze vast amounts of patient data, spotting patterns and trends that humans might miss. This contributes to more effective treatments and improved patient outcomes. In the entertainment industry, Q-Star is reshaping how we consume content. With its ability to understand and predict user preferences, it's revolutionizing the way we discover new films, music, and TV shows. The days of scrolling endlessly through streaming platforms may soon be a thing of the past. Let's not forget the financial sector. Q-Star's predictive capabilities are being harnessed to forecast market trends, helping investors make more informed decisions. It's like having a crystal ball that gives a glimpse into the future of the financial market. Meanwhile, in the field of environmental science, Q-Star is playing a crucial role in modeling climate change scenarios. Its machine learning algorithms can sift through mountains of data, making predictions about future climate patterns. This information is vital in planning for and mitigating the impact of climate change. Beyond these sectors, Q-Star's influence is seen in areas as diverse as education, where it's personalizing learning experiences, and in retail, where it's optimizing inventory management and enhancing customer service. But it's not just about what Q-Star is doing now, it's also about how it's shaping the future of AI. With its continual learning and evolving capabilities, Q-Star is driving the development of more intelligent, adaptable, and efficient AI systems. It's pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible, opening up new avenues for exploration and innovation. It's clear that Q-Star is not just another star in the AI universe. It's a supernova, its impact felt far and wide. Its contributions are not just improving the way we do things, they're changing the way we think about AI. Q-Star is showing us that AI is not something to be feared, but embraced. It's not a threat to our jobs, but a tool that can make our jobs easier and more rewarding. And while the journey of Q-Star is far from over, its current impact is undeniable. From healthcare to finance, from entertainment to environmental science, Q-Star is making a difference. It's not just changing the game, it's changing the rules of the game. Q-Star's present impact underscores its pivotal role in the AI revolution. The future holds exciting possibilities for Q-Star in the field of AI. As we look to the horizon, it's easy to imagine a world where Q-Star becomes an even more prominent figure in our lives. As a pioneer in the realm of artificial intelligence, Q-Star is poised to introduce advancements that could forever change the way we interact with technology. In the realm of deep learning, Q-Star is expected to make significant strides. With the potential to develop more complex neural networks, we could see AI that not only learns, but also understands and responds to our needs in a more personalized way. Imagine an AI that can predict your needs before you even realize them yourself. That's the kind of future Q-Star is moving towards. Moreover, the field of natural language processing is another area where Q-Star is set to make waves. The goal? Developing AI that can understand and respond to human language as naturally as another person would. This could revolutionize industries from customer service to healthcare, creating more efficient and intuitive systems. In terms of hardware, the future could see Q-Star developing more powerful and efficient AI chips. These chips would enable AI to process information faster, make more accurate predictions, and perform more complex tasks. This could lead to a new era of high-performance AI, capable of tackling problems currently beyond our reach. And let's not forget about the societal implications. As Q-Star continues to evolve, it could play a key role in addressing global challenges. From climate change to healthcare, the potential for AI to make a positive impact is immense. And with Q-Star at the helm, we can expect these developments to be guided by a commitment to ethical AI practices. The future is a vast and open landscape, full of potential and promise. And at the heart of that future, we find Q-Star, continually pushing the boundaries, exploring new frontiers, and shaping the world of tomorrow. With its continuous innovation, Q-Star is set to redefine the future of AI. The journey of Q-Star is a testament to the transformative power of AI. From its humble beginnings, Q-Star has evolved into a force to be reckoned with in the world of artificial intelligence. Its journey is one of constant evolution and remarkable breakthroughs that have reshaped the AI landscape. In the span of just a few years, Q-Star has made significant strides, delivering innovations that have revolutionized various sectors, from healthcare to finance, and from transport to entertainment. This AI powerhouse is not only changing the world as we know it today, but it also holds the promise of an even more exciting future. With its relentless pursuit of excellence and its unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible, Q-Star is set to continue transforming the AI realm. As we continue to witness the wonders of AI, Q-Star remains at the forefront, leading the charge in this exciting revolution.